for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. But today I have created this look, and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I already washed off my face with this Root Mantra Cucumber face wash. This is Ayurvedic medicinal face wash, and then I already toned up my face with this Himalaya Herbal Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. This is what I use on daily basis. Next I'm going to moisturize my face with this Bash the Gloss moisturizing face cream. This is from Chrono Care, and I'm going to use this much of amount, that's it, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. You have to moisturize your face very well not to get any patchiness on your face while applying any foundation or anything. Apply it very well like I'm gonna do. Doesn't matter you have oily skin or dry skin, you have to moisturize your face. Moisturizing is like a necessary part of the makeup. Next I'm gonna apply lip balm. This is the Color Fever and Attitude in Color Happy Lips. Oops, I'm running out from my lip balm, but I'm gonna buy it another one, but this time I'm done with it. So next I am going to color correct my face. I'm going to use these LA Pro concealer. Wherever I have a redness on my skin, I'm gonna apply it. This orange color corrector. On top of that I'm gonna apply this yellow color corrector. Do is I'm gonna apply the primer. I'm gonna use this NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. I'm gonna apply it wherever I have pore issues. I'm gonna use the foundation. This is from Max Factor Face Affinity All Day Flawless, and I'm gonna use this one. So I'm just going to warm up the foundation like this, and now I'm gonna apply it. Beauty blender to blend my foundation. This is from PAC, and I'm gonna just bounce and bounce and bounce while blending, because only blending will give you the look. Take one more pump and I'm gonna apply it on my neck, because my face and neck are looking like different. So I'm gonna apply it. Actually my face and my neck, they have totally different color. Highlight my face with this Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is the bestest concealer I have used till now. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. bridge of my nose, center, cupid bow, and chin, and also a little bit on my eyes. Now I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty blender. I'm gonna set my concealer with this NYX Professional HD Studio Photogenic finishing powder. So I'm gonna use this with the wet beauty blender. I'm not baking, I'm just applying it. I'm just setting it. Next I'm gonna apply some setting spray. This is from NYX in the matte finish, and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna push this into my skin with a beauty blender. So we are done with our base, and next I'm gonna make my brows. So I'm gonna use this eyebrow palette made for me from SFR Colors. First I'm gonna brush my brows with a spoolie, and I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm gonna use this brush from Morphe, this eyebrow brush. Set my eyebrows. So now we're going to do our eye makeup. So for that I'm gonna use this Dodo Girl Professional Makeup Studio 39 Colors eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna take this brown shade right here. Take this shade. Take this shimmery shade here. I'm gonna pat this. These two shades, and I'm gonna apply it under my lower lashes. I'm gonna apply this shade under my eyebrow to just highlight it. I'm gonna apply this white kajal on my waterline. Take a kajal. This is from Faces Canada. This is the Magnet Eyes Kajal, and I'm gonna apply it on my upper waterline. Next I'm gonna take this same kajal and I'm gonna apply it as my liner, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. Next I'm gonna apply some mascara. Today I'm not gonna apply any false eyelashes. I'm not that much a lovey-dovey person of fake eyelashes. I have voluminous eyelashes already. I'm just gonna apply some mascara to just make it more voluminous. And I'm using this Sugar mascara. This is Lash Mob Limitless mascara in the shade 01 Black with the Bank. I'm gonna apply this one. For my lower lashes, I'm going to apply this one. To bronze up my face with this Dodo Girl matte and highlighting contour palette. So this is how the palette looks like. I'm gonna apply this shade right here. I'm gonna apply some blush from this MUA. I'm also hitting the pan. I really like this blusher. This is really subtle look. And everyone's favorite part is the highlighter. So I'm gonna use this Pack Baked highlighter in the shade 02, and this is really beautiful, man. This is so gorgeous. I'm gonna do my lip part. For that I'm gonna use this in color long lasting professional lip pencil. Apply this lip color from MAC, and this is in the shade Ruby Woo. So I'm gonna apply this lipstick on the top of this. I am married. I'm gonna apply this as well. So let me just go ahead and apply it. And this is from Lakme. Yeah. We are done with the look. Let me just give you the close-up look now. Guys, we are done with today's look, and I hope you liked the video. And if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.